enter the desired file name. So here is the advantage of this PDF maker. If you want to give password protection to your PDF, you can also give it. You can also apply grayscale to your PDF. You can also compress your PDF if you want. So here is the image compression scale. Now click on OK to save your PDF. Click here to see your saved PDF. From here you can rename your PDF. Click OK. From here you can also share your PDF. Now at last I would like to say thank you to all the viewers. If you like my video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.